Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 7. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. Today is lecture number 32, unit number 2. The name of the unit is Black Beauty. As you know, we have completed its texts and a few questions of the exercises. Today we'll start from page number 22. Part B. Part B is working with words. You know, we started part B, working with words, in the previous lecture. Today's lecture is the continuation of the previous one. Question number 2. Use these expressions in sentences of your own. A. Making straight for. It means to go towards some point. We are making straight for our home. कि हम सीधे घर की तरफ जा रहे हैं. B. Turned sharp round. The hare turned sharp round to save herself from the hounds. You know, this is the description of the lesson. When the hare tried to save herself from the hounds, she turned sharp round. तेजी से मुड़ी. C. Were upon her. Soon the hounds were upon the hare. Soon the hounds were upon the hare. D. Never yet could make out. It means to understand. समझ जाना किसी चीज़ को. I never yet could make out why people waste their time. I never yet could make out why people waste their time. It may be a piece of advice from me to you, dear students. I advise you not to waste your time and try to give as much time to your studies as possible, so that you may be able to become a very good student and ultimately a very useful citizen of the society. Dear students, now part C. Part C is learning about language, that is at page 23. Question number 1 of part C. Use one of the phrasal verbs from the box in place of the words in italics. In each sentence below, a phrasal verb can be used more than once. Here come the phrasal verbs: put in, put up, put out, put away, put across, put off, put about. You know, put is a verb here and it is joined with the preposition every time differently. And when the verb is joined with the preposition, it is called phrasal verb. And every time it has some different meaning with a different preposition. Now comes the question. These are the sentences. Here are certain words which are in italics, and I have highlighted those italics in yellow color for your facilitation. Let's start. A. The news about Shakir was not true. It was a rumor circulated by his aunt. Circulated is a word. You will underline it and we'll select one phrasal verb from this list that is suitable, that has the same meaning as circulated. The phrasal verb is put about. Put about means circulated, फैलाना, circulate कर देना. You may read the sentence as the news about Shakir was not true. It was a rumor put about by his aunt, or it was a rumor circulated by his aunt. Both have the same meanings. B. The story was so exciting only because it was communicated in a dramatic way. Communicated is a word that is in italics and you will underline it. We'll select one phrasal verb from this list, that is put across. Put across means communicate, बयान करना. You may read the sentence as the story was so exciting only because it was communicated in a dramatic way, or it was put across in a dramatic way. C. The old couple saved a little money every month for their retirement. Here the words are saved money, and we'll choose one phrasal verb from this list that may be put away. Put away means to save money. You may read the sentence as the old couple put away a little money every month for their retirement. D. The large man consumed 12 cakes and 2 liters of milk. Consumed is a word, and we'll choose one phrasal verb that is put away. The large man put away 12 cakes. You may also read the large man consumed 12 cakes. Consumed का यहाँ मतलब होगा इस्तेमाल कर लेना, खर्च कर लेना. E. They moved into the office as soon as the fans had been installed. Installed is a word, and we'll select one phrasal verb that is put in. They moved into the office as soon as the fans had been installed. Or as soon as the fans had been put in. Fix कर देना, लगा देना. F. Because of the rain, the match was postponed. Postponed is a word. You will underline it, and will select a phrasal verb from the list that is put out. Postponed means put out. मुलतवी कर देना. Because of the rain, the match was postponed. Or you may say because of the rain, the match was put off. G. The firemen soon extinguished the blazing fire. Extinguished means put out, बुझा देना. Blazing fire, a lot of fire, huge fire. The sentence is the firemen soon extinguished the blazing fire. You may read the sentence as the firemen soon put out the blazing fire. H, that is the last but not the least. The old man dislocated his shoulder while he was digging a flower bed. Dislocate कर देना, अपनी जगह से किसी जगह का हिल जाना, that is put out. The old man dislocated his shoulder. You may read the sentence as the old man put out his shoulder while he was digging a flower bed. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. I would advise you please watch and listen this lecture once again so that you may be able to understand this lecture completely. If you have any question, you may contact me in the feedback group. Till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourself. Thank you very much.